So over here, you can see that I have this project right here. And let's say what I want to do is export out this project so that I can share this out with others. So to do that, you can export this as an MP4 file. And to do that, all you need to do is go around onto the file menu and then go ahead and choose to download as MP4. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it says preparing download right here. And you need to wait for a while until the process finishes. That is the rendering part finishes right here. And now you can see that the processing has been finished. So you can see that it says downloading right here. And now the project gets downloaded just like this. And if you were to go ahead and open it right here, just like this. And that is the video project. Let me just decrease out the audio right here. Press the play button right here. And just like this, you can see the edited project right here downloaded as an MP4 file that you can go ahead and share out as others. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.